Welcome back to the Crypto World channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now, Ethereum is playing out some short-term bullish price action, leading into this very important point of resistance, and that is happening while the stock market is playing out a bullish pattern. I'll be talking about all of that and more in this video, and if that sounds good to you, feel free to leave a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, you might as well subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. But with all of that out of the way, let's get straight into what this video is about. So right here, we are on the Ethereum to US dollar chart on the 3-day time frame. We've got this ascending line of support coming in at approximately 2.4k, which over the past few days, we have seen a successful bounce from that level. And that 2.4k level of support is coming in confluence with this support range, which is coming into play at around 2.3k to 2.4k. And the moment we broke below the September low on this channel, I was letting you know that it's very likely that we would find our next point of support at that price range right there. And obviously that is pretty much exactly what has been playing out over the past 1 to 1.5 weeks. And at the time of filming this video, Ethereum is currently testing this previous range of support, which is now acting as resistance. And this price range starts at around 2,650 and goes up towards 2.9k. So even though Ethereum is playing out some short-term bullish price action, ideally we need to get above that range of resistance in order to confirm a further recovery. And not only that, I would also be paying close attention to what's happening in the daily RSI for Ethereum, because as I said in yesterday's Ethereum update video, we are currently testing that line of resistance. And so while we're in this test phase, if you want to call it that, basically when the RSI is at this line right here, this is a bit of a deciding moment for Ethereum, at least for the next 1 to 2 weeks or so, because if we see a major rejection from this level, then simply going off what we've seen in the past, we could spend another 1 to 2 weeks until we come back up and retest that line of resistance. But right now, if we can continue with a breakout to the upside in the Ethereum RSI, then that would obviously be very bullish for both the Ethereum RSI and the Ethereum price action, because we are also seeing a similar thing on the 3-day time frame for Ethereum. As you can see, we're in a downtrend in the RSI, but currently we are testing that point of resistance, and to confirm a break above that point of resistance, we need to see a 3-day candle close on this chart, or on the daily time frame, just a daily candle close. And obviously this is not the first downtrend that we've seen in the Ethereum RSI. We have seen this happen time and time again throughout years worth of Ethereum price history, and pretty much every single time here, the moment the RSI breaks above that descending line of resistance to confirm a new uptrend, that also carries over to the price action to confirm an uptrend in the price action in the majority of these examples that we've seen in the past. But I want to make it extra clear that right now we have not seen a confirmed break above this point of resistance just yet, but this is just something that I would be paying attention to moving forward to confirm a possible uptrend. And of course, when we do eventually see a confirmed break above this point of resistance, I will be keeping you updated here on the channel and also on my Twitter. So if you haven't followed me on my Twitter already, make sure you're doing that for extra updates throughout the day, just like this. And you can find a link to my Twitter in the description down below and also in the pinned comment. But anyway, taking a quick look at the Ethereum versus Bitcoin charts on the 3-day time frame, right now we are still seeing that bounce from this important level of support, which is currently coming in at around 0.065 Bitcoin per Ethereum. And so as I've been saying over the past few days, if we see this 3-daily candle close in the green, then in that case, we would have confirmed a bounce from that level of support, which would be bullish for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And for the beginners out there, this just means that Ethereum is right now outperforming Bitcoin in the immediate short term while we're seeing this bullish price action. And with Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin over the past few days, this has halted the uptrend in the Bitcoin dominance. And interestingly enough, that happened right when the Bitcoin dominance RSI reached overbought here on the daily time frame. And on top of that, we are finding resistance along the 38.2% Fibonacci level, coming in at around 42.5% Bitcoin dominance. So what does this actually mean? Well, if the Bitcoin dominance sees a rejection from that point of resistance and starts another shorter term downtrend, then that would be bullish for Ethereum and the majority of the altcoin market out there. But if the Bitcoin dominance is simply in a consolidation phase where we see a cool off in the RSI, getting us ready for the next leg to the upside in the Bitcoin dominance, then in that case, that is more of a bearish signal for Ethereum and the altcoin market, at least compared to Bitcoin. And one positive catalyst that is driving shorter term bullish price action for crypto is of course the stock market's playing out some short-term bullish price action. This right here is the S&P 500 index on the 2-hour time frame, and what we can see right here is in fact a bullish W pattern. And if this pattern were to continue to play out, then that will give us a price target towards around 4,700 in the S&P 500 index, which if that plays out, that will be very bullish for Ethereum, Bitcoin, and pretty much the majority of the crypto markets. Because in case you haven't noticed already, the price movements in the stock market and the price movements in the crypto markets are correlated with each other most of the time. So it is certainly a good thing to start seeing some bullish price action in the stock markets, but ideally we need this to continue in order to see any sort of recovery in the crypto market. And once again, I will be keeping you updated every single day here on the channel and also in real time over on my Twitter, linked down below. If you found this video useful or simply enjoyed it, please make sure to leave a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. And also for anyone new to the channel, feel free to check out one of these uploads if you haven't already, because these two videos right here show you how I personally make money in the crypto market whether or not crypto is going up or down. But anyway, that is everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.